Uh, Welcome to Peter Thiern Excel Masterclass. Today we are going to look at how to clean the data in Excel before you start data analysis, or also how to extract week, month, and year within a particular point at a time that you have collected your data. So if you look at this data was collected in 2022. Different weeks, different months, different date, and we want to know when was this data collected, which week in the month in that particular year. So to do that, we are going to create a space here, and we name this one week. We are also going to create another space and name this one month. We're also going to create another space and name this one year. You can have a multi-year data sets, okay, and then you can be able to understand when was the data collected, which week, and also a month. For us now to calculate a week on which this data was collected, we can say equal. We want the week to appear like from Monday, Sunday, up to the last day of the week. So we are going to say text. Then we click on the year on which the data was collected, okay, comma. And then we want this month to appear in form of date 1, 2, 3, 4. This is now the symbol of date. And then close bracket. And the month on which this data was collected, especially on the 16/11/2022, this was Wednesday. If you go to your calendar and check the 16/11/16/2022, you will see that this was Wednesday. Now, let's go to the next. The month. For the month, we want to know exactly which month was this data collected. So we are going to say text. Then we come here. Then we say 1, 2, 3, 4. Then close bracket. This was November. You can see the month was November, like 11. Then on 16. And the 16th of November 2022 was Wednesday. And we want to know which year was that. So we are going to say equal year here, and it's giving me, but I'm going to change and come here. I come to number, check it to, this is 2022. So I can just drag it down all the way up to the last data set. Okay. Then this one you can also drag it down. The formula is just the same. This was November. The data was collected in November, and this year. Wait. This year was also this was still 2022. This was not a multi-year data collection, it was only in 2022. So here you can clearly see, you can decide to drag it down up to the end, or the simplest way we can do this. I can clear this, so that the work is easy. As a statistician, you always find a way on how you can make your data very simple. So I don't want to do or to scroll or to filter it manually like this. So what would I do? This is what I'm going to show you right now. So instead of doing this, I will simply first the data was too much. Clear the content. I would simply say like this. Control T. I will highlight this. Control T. Include my table headers. Then I will say equal text. This I want to appear it in weekly, that is day 1, 2, 3, 4. Day 1, 2, 3, 4. Then equal sign. No, sorry. I was supposed to highlight the entire. I was supposed to highlight this, include my table headers like this. Then say text. And put the day. Now you can clearly see up to the end, it has already been computed, you see. And then it has already been computed. So we go to the next, which is month. I want them to appear the month of January in form of text. So I will do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it will just populate it itself alone automatically. Then the next one will be year. I will say year. I want it to appear in form of figure. Okay, I will come here. This was 2022, and you are good to go. Now you have your data. I want to remove this filter. I come here, remove filter. You see, I can even decide to say Control A, Control T. I want to put my entire table in form of table like this. I want to put my entire table in form of table so that it will be uniform. Now, and you are good to go. So this is your data. You are able now to calculate the week from this, the month also from this data set, and the year. So thank you so much for watching, and see you.